Hello students, a very good morning to all. Are you all safe at home? Would you please be safe in your home itself, okay? Last class what we have learned children? Have you all enjoyed the class, online class and Zoom meeting? Yes, very good. What we have saw in the last class, we saw about counting the numbers, isn't it? We saw a lot of pictures and we have counted and we learned how to count the pictures, isn't it? Okay. Today what we are going to see, we are going to see the numbers from 1 to 20 and then we are going to see about number names from 1 to 10 and then we are going to see about shapes. Okay children, shall we start to see that? Okay, shall we start to read the number? Okay, see, number from 1 to 20. Okay, numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. Okay children, I am going to read this. You two also read with me. Okay children, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Okay, shall I repeat again? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 0, 10. Then, next to 10, what the number? Yes, 11. Okay? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Okay children, shall I repeat it again? See, 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Okay children, all the numbers we have learned. We have learned the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay children, now you all know about the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay children, shall we move to the number names? Okay, today we are going to learn the number names from 1 to 10. Okay, shall we start to read that? See, 1. O-N-E-1. Okay? 1. O-N-E-1. 2. T-W-O-2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay? 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-V-A. 5. 6. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. Okay, children. Shall we repeat it again? See, 1. O N E 1. 2. T W O 2. 3. T H R E E 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. 6. Yes I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. Okay, children. Now you have learnt number names from 1 to 10. Okay, children. Are you all thorough about it? Yes, very good. Okay. Practice in your home, children. Okay. Shall we move to the shapes now? Okay. Shall we move to the shapes? See what are the shapes we have. Okay, that only we are going to read now. Okay, see. What is the first shape here? It is square. What it is? It is square. If all the 4 sides are equal, we will say it is a square shape. Okay, children, see. Shall we read the spelling for square? Yes. Q U A R E. Square. Okay. Shall I repeat it again? The spelling for square. See. S Q U A R E. Square. Okay. If all the sides are equal, we will call it as a square. Okay, children. It is a square shape. Okay. And then shall we move to the next shape? What the shape it is? It is called rectangle shape. What is the shape of it? It is called rectangle shape. If opposite sides are equal, we will call it as a rectangle shape. See, here these 2 sides are equal and here these 2 sides are equal, isn't it? So if the opposite sides are equal, we will call it as a rectangle shape. Okay, children, shall we read out the spelling for rectangle? See, R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Okay. See, I am going to repeat the spelling for rectangle again. Listen to me, children. See, R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Okay. See, here we have 4 corners for square. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 corners for square, and also in rectangle also we have 4 corners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Shall we move to the next shape? What is the shape of it? It is a triangle. Okay. First we have saw that all the 4 sides are equal. It is called square. Opposite sides are equal. It is called rectangle. Now we are moving to the triangle. Okay. What it is? Triangle. Okay. It have only 3 sides and 3 corners. See, 1, 2, 3. Here we have 4 sides. Isn't it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 sides. In square and rectangle we have 4 sides and 4 corners. But in triangle we have 3 sides and 3 corners. See here, 1, 2, 3, and we have 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we are going to see about the spelling for triangle. Okay, children, see. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. See, I am going to repeat the spelling for triangle. See, T R I A N G and no corners, isn't it? For circle it has no sides and no corners. Now we are going to read about the spelling for circle. Okay, shall we read it? See, C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay. See, I'm going to repeat it again. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay, children. And then what is the next shape? See, here it is semicircle. Half part of the circle we will call as semicircle. Okay, children. What is the shape of this? What is the name for this shape? Semicircle. Okay, so I am going to read out the spelling. Okay, listen to me carefully, children. See, S-E-M-I-C-I-R-C-L-E. Semicircle. Okay, shall I repeat it again? See, children. S-E-M-I-C-I-R-C-L-E. Semicircle. Okay, children. And what is the next shape? What it is? Oval. What it is? Oval. Okay, this is the shape of oval. For example, an egg is also called as an oval shape. Okay, children. See, what is the spelling for oval? O-V-A-L. Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Okay, children. So far what shapes we have learned? We have learned about square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle and oval. Okay, children. Then what is the difference between circle and oval? Okay, if you take a pizza, you know all about pizza, isn't it? It is a round shape. Okay, if you take the example for circle, we can say pizza. Okay, if we say an example for oval, we can say it is an egg. Okay, children, this was the difference between circle and oval shape. Okay, children, it is fully completed circle shape. Okay, it is like an egg. Okay, children, this was the difference between circle and oval. Okay, now we are going to see this example. See, children, here it is a diagram. Now we are going to here we have lot of shapes. Okay, we are going to count out each and every shape and we are going to write here in each shape here. Okay, shall we start to count square first? Okay, see, and we are going to count square. See, where and all you can see square shape. See the top of the head. See, it is a square shape, isn't it? Shall we start to count? See, 1, and then now you can see this is full out of square shape, isn't it? So it is 2. Okay, 1, 2, and also it is also square shape. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then any other? See at the bottom. Okay, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so shall I repeat it again, children? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children, totally we have 10 square in this diagram. Okay, shall we move to the rectangle? Then and all we have rectangle. See, watch out. See, here we have rectangle here, and then this is also shape which is considered to be the rectangle because here opposite sides are equal, isn't it? Shall we start to count out the rectangle now? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, totally we have 5 rectangle. Okay, totally how much rectangle we have in this diagram? We have 5 rectangle. to count out the circle here. Okay. Then we can find out the circle here. See, here we have circle, isn't it? See here, head, total, then here eyes, then here circle. Okay, we are going to count it now. Okay, shall we start to count? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally how many circles are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we have 6 circles. Okay, and then what are you going to count now? Semicircle. Okay, remember we have semicircle shape here. See, here we have, isn't it? See, here we have semicircle and here also we have, and see here also we have semicircle, isn't it? Now we are going to count the semicircle. Okay, shall we start to counting? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many semicircles? See children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, totally we have 5 semicircle. And then last, what shape we have? We have oval shape. Okay, wherever we have oval shape here. See, we have here, here and here. Okay, shall we start to counting? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, shall we count it again the oval shape? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally we have 6 oval shape in this diagram. Okay, children. Now we all thorough about the shapes, isn't it? You all thorough about what are the shapes we have learnt? We have learnt about. Okay, what we have learnt about the shapes? We have learnt about square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle and oval. Now we are thorough about the shapes, isn't it? Based on this, we are going to see one activity. Okay, children, enjoy that activity. Hello, children. What we are going to see now? We are going to see about shapes. Okay. What and all shapes we have learnt in the class? We have learnt about square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle and oval, isn't it? Now I am going to show you the shapes on it. Okay, children, shall we start to see it? Okay, what is the shape of this? What it is, children? See, it is square shape. What it is? It is square shape. I already said you about the spelling for square, isn't it? See, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. And what I said about the square? It has 4 sides. See, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Isn't it? It has 4 sides. See, it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Isn't it? See, it has 4 corners also. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is said to be the corners and this is said to be the sides. Okay, children. So, square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And also we can say that all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, in square all the 4 sides are equal. See, here all the 4 sides are equal in square. Now I am going to show you the real example for square. See, children, what it is? It is a biscuit, isn't it? What is the name of this biscuit? It is 50-50 biscuit, isn't it? See, in this biscuit we have all the 4 sides are equal, isn't it? See, it have 4 sides and 4 corners and also it has all the 4 sides are equal. So, we can say it is square shape. What it is? The 50-50 biscuit. It is also in which shape, children? It is in square shape. And see, also we have one more example. See what it is? It is one small type of object, isn't it? See what shape it is? It is also square shape, isn't it? And also I have many more examples for square shape. See here we have a big size square shape, isn't it? See here also we have all the four sides are equal and it has four sides and four corners, isn't it? So these are all the examples for squares. Okay, shall we move to the rectangle now? Okay children, see what is the next shape? What it is? Rectangle. What it is? See, it is a rectangle shape, isn't it? See, shall we read out the spelling for rectangle? R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. See, this rectangle also it has four sides. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, it has four sides and four corners. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, in rectangle it has four sides and four corners. And what we can say about the rectangles, its opposite sides are equal. Okay, see, it is said to be the opposite side. See, if this side, these two sides are equal, isn't it? It is opposite to each other, isn't it? So only we are saying that its opposite sides are equal. See, here also its opposite sides are equal. Okay, so we call it as it is a rectangle. So what are the two properties for rectangle? It has four sides and four corners. Its opposite sides are equal. Okay, shall we see in real time example for rectangle? Okay, see children, what it is? Yes, very good. What it is? It is a scale, isn't it? See, in this scale what we can see? See here opposite sides are equal, isn't it? See here it is the shape of the scale is the shape of for rectangle and also it has four sides. See, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and also it has four corners. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners and also we can say that its opposite sides are equal, isn't it? See, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. These are opposite to each other, isn't it? So we can say that opposite sides are equal and it has four sides and four corners. We can say it is a rectangle shape. So scale is a rectangle shape. And then the another object we can say this is also a rectangle shape, isn't it children? See, you can easily say it is a rectangle shape, isn't it children? See, here also we have four sides, four corners and its opposite sides are equal, isn't it? So we can say this is also a rectangle shape. Okay, shall we move to the next shape children? Okay children, what is the next shape? Triangle. Okay, shall we spell out the triangle? See, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. See, a triangle has three sides. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3. A triangle has three sides and three corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, see, a triangle has three sides and three corners. Okay children, this is the shape of the, what is the name of the shape? It is triangle shape. Okay, if any object that has three sides and three corners, we can say it is a triangle shape. Okay children, see, this is an object children, one type of object that have each and every corner we have triangle shape, isn't it? See, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have four triangle in this one side, isn't it? See, here it is an object. Here all these sides have triangle shape. Okay children, see, here we have many sides. Okay, we can say this is a 3D object children. Okay, in these all sides we have different four triangle shape. Okay children, are you clear about the triangle shape? Shall we move to the next shape? See children, what is the next shape we have here? Circle. What it is? Circle. Shall we read out the spelling for circle? Okay, see, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, yes, circle has no sides. See here, it has any sides here? No, isn't it? So it has no sides and also it has no corners. Okay, see here, circle has no sides and no corners. Okay, a full rotation. Okay, said to be a circle. You all see a moon, children, during full moon day, isn't it? Yes. So full moon day we can see a circle shaped moon, isn't it? So we can say an example of moon also during a full moon day. Okay, see, I am going to show you the another example for circle shape, children. See, what it is. Yes, it is a biscuit, isn't it? See here, what shape it is? It is a round shape. So we can say it is also a circle. Okay, so it is a round shape. We can say it is also a circle, and also we can say it has no sides and no corners also, isn't it? So we can say it is in a round shape biscuit, and also it is a shape called circle. Okay, children, shall we move to the next shape? Next, what is the name of this shape, children? Yes, what it is? Semicircle. Okay, shall we spell it out? S E M I C I R C L E, semicircle. What we can call it is how we can call it is a semicircle? Yeah, semicircle is half of a circle. Okay, what we can say? Yeah, semicircle is half of a circle. Okay, children, just now what we saw biscuit, isn't it? It is in which shape? It is a circle shape. Okay, if we see, children, what I said to you about this shape, it is circle shape, isn't it? If we cut these into two halves, what we get? We get semicircle, isn't it? We see, we get two semicircle. We can split two equal half in one circle. So we say it is a semicircle shape. Okay, children, are you all clear about it? What is semicircle? Semicircle is a half of a circle. See, it is a circle and it is a semicircle. Okay, children, a semicircle is a half of a circle. Okay, children, are you clear about it? Shall we move to the next one? Okay, children, what is the last shape we have learned? It is vowel. What is the spelling for vowel? Shall we spell it out? Okay, see, V-A-N. Vowel. Okay, see, this is the shape for vowel. This is an oval shape. Okay, what is it about the vowel? See, and vowel is rounded like an egg. See, and vowel is rounded like an egg. See, children, here it looks like a shape of an egg, isn't it? Okay, see, I'm going to show you egg. See how it looks like. It looks like an oval shape, isn't it? See what it is? It is egg. You all know, right? So what is the shape of it? It is an oval shape. Okay, it is a real-time example for vowel. Okay, children. So far what we have learned? We have learned about the shapes. What and all shapes we have learned? We have learned about square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle and oval. Now you all are clear about the shapes, isn't it, children? In the real time life you can identify many types of shapes, children. Okay, you all know about the shapes, isn't it? Okay, based on this you will get a homework. You have to complete this. You have to send in a WhatsApp group. Okay, children, thank you.